Okay, we're working on a Kia Rio 2014. It's considered a third generation, so that'll work for like 2013, maybe 12 up through 2019. Small car, got to remove some stuff. Anyway, it looks like the cooling fan went out, and the fuse block over here, the 40 amp cooked. We got a new one. It cooked again. Symptom was no or little AC, but they noticed it was overheating, maybe in heavy traffic, so we took care of that. And now what you need to do is take off the front GDI. You'll see it laying over there to cover. The next is the next piece, and then the front cover there. Basically all push pins. You just see the gap there, you just put the screwdriver in and pop them each side. Take your time, you don't want to buy new ones. Anyway, so next process will be to remove this panel here. Okay, once under here, you're gonna have to remove this one. This one here, and this one, and on the other side, there were 3 tabs to remove. Underneath, you want to undo your hose connectors, because that's going to go on the fan, and then over here you have to undo the little clip, and then we're going to pull the front off. And as you remove it, the final clips go up in here. It connects. Assembly. Pretty soon we'll be printing cars at home, I guess. But okay, little tricks down here. You want to remove that bolt there, free up some space. After you remove your pieces here, you will have to pull that one hose. As you can see, do a little wiggle giggle, and you can get the fan assembly, which is there you go. She's back in. You got some wiggle sniggle to do, you know. Come on, you can't go over all the tricks. But anyway, while you're in here, you might as well clean the condenser, which is in the front, and you can see a little dirt in there. Hi. And that should do it. And